Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play good songs on piano easily. We'll begin by exploring the fundamental building blocks of music, like simple melodies and basic chords. These are your starting points for creating beautiful sounds. Understanding rhythm and timing is also crucial, as it provides the structure for your playing. Remember, consistent, short practice sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily, are far more effective than infrequent long ones. Once you're comfortable with the basics, let's dive into essential chord progressions. Mastering just 4 chords C, G, a minor, and F major opens up a world of popular songs. Focus on making your transitions between these chords smooth and effortless. There are many excellent online resources and chord charts available to guide your finger placement, ensuring you play each chord correctly and clearly. Now, let's combine chords with simple melodies and rhythm. When learning a new song, break it down into small, manageable melodic phrases. Don't try to play the whole piece at once. Counting out loud as you play helps you internalize the rhythm and tempo. A metronome is an invaluable tool here. It provides a steady beat, helping you develop precise timing and a consistent pace in your playing. To truly excel, adopt effective practice strategies. A great tip is to practice your left and right hands separately before attempting to combine them, especially for more challenging sections. Recording yourself playing can provide valuable insights, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement. Most importantly, choose songs that you genuinely love and want to play. This passion will keep you motivated and make your piano journey incredibly rewarding.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.